Credit cards often get a bad rap, but the truth is, they can be a very powerful tool if they are used the right way. So the real question is, do you feel confident using one? Welcome to Financial Fridays, a series where we ask the everyday Jamaican questions that matter most about money. I'm Zoe, and today we're discussing a topic that's often misunderstood by many, even though it is a part of our everyday lives: credit cards. From everyday spending to managing your budget, credit cards can offer convenience, flexibility, and rewards. The key is just understanding how to use it. So let's hear what Jamaicans think about using credit cards.
Yeah, I feel confident using a credit card. You just gotta make sure to not be irresponsible with it. But
the main reason for me is for emergency purposes. Like I know some persons, sometimes they don't have an emergency fund, or the emergency fund is not sufficient for the so-called emergency at the time. So you can always draw for your credit card for that reason.
It's always come in handy, but never don't overextend or put a hat where you can't reach, you understand?
Some people love the freedom that comes with using a credit card. Others are still figuring out how to use it wisely. That's why we're bringing in our expert, Ricardo Panton, to break it all down for us and help us to understand more about using credit cards.
Credit cards can be a powerful tool once you understand how to use them properly. Whether you're looking to get a new one or you want to use yours smarter, here are some quick tips that can help you. 1. How credit cards work. It's a line of credit that your bank gives you with a set limit on it. It can help you to spend wherever, whenever you want, online, in store, or even when you're traveling abroad. 2. Smart ways to use your credit card. Use it for things you're already planning to spend on, like gas, groceries, and utilities, while earning cashback or miles. It's a smart way to earn for everyday spending. 3. Common mistakes to avoid. Stay within your normal monthly budget. Your credit card should support your lifestyle, not stretch it. Plus, monthly, try to pay at least the minimum balance so your account can remain active. A credit card can be a great financial tool when used properly. Spend smart, stay on top of your balance, and enjoy the rewards, flexibility, and convenience that it affords.
So here's your takeaway. Understand it, respect it, manage it, and your credit card can work for you, not against you. Stay tuned to Financial Fridays every other Friday as we discuss more topics to help you grow your wealth. Take care.